Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Disco Brawl Axe in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this and see if we can get this correct, because this is a very tricky thing to draw. So to begin, we just gotta draw a big circle. So you can use any kind of drawing aid if you want to make this circle, because it's kind of hard to draw a circle freehand, or you can just sketch it first. But whatever you can do, just try to draw a circle as best as you can. And then after that, here's the tricky part. So right in the middle, right here on the top, just draw a little circle, and then we're going to draw a bunch of ovals around it. So this is the tricky part. So you can follow this, you can draw the top one first. So we can go this way, and then we're going to draw the opposite curve, come down. Okay, then we're going to go a little bit bigger now. We're going to come here, let's draw one, and then we'll draw the opposite curve, the bottom. And then here, we're not going to be able to see the top curve anymore. So we're just going to curve and bottom. All right, and then we're going to keep going. So we're going to curve a little bit here, and then we're going to draw one big curve around it. And then now there won't be much of a curve up here, so we'll just draw a big curve. Just kind of hook it back in. So we're going to keep going and hope yours is turning out okay. Mine's just getting wobbly already, even though I have the guidelines. Okay, so we're just going to keep going. So up here, and then I'm just going to draw one more. Okay, maybe just one more line down here. Okay, so that's the circle with all these lines. Now we have to go draw the vertical lines. So you can kind of start out right in the middle right here, because these are going to be pretty much horizontal. Okay, and as you get to the edge, you can make it slightly, the spacing should be a little bit less. Okay, and then now we're going to draw the let's go up. So these are still pretty horizontal. Now as you come to here on the edges, you have to kind of turn it to the side a little bit, because you want to kind of match the curvature a little bit. Okay, so as I'm going out, I'm going to slant it in a little bit. Okay, so let's keep going. So these are still pretty horizontal, and I'm just kind of space them out according to the bottom row. And as you go out to the side, just kind of turn them in. So try to follow that. And then here, so we're gonna have to turn in a little bit quicker now. So this is a very tricky thing to draw. And then here, so right here, we're just kind of aiming toward the center right here. There's this little dot. So whatever you do, just try to aim for the center dot. Okay, and then one more. So this one's even smaller. All right, so that's the top, and let's move on to the bottom now. So again, as I get to the edge, start turning it, slanting the lines. And then one more in here. Let's keep going. This one we're gonna slant more. And last one down here. So this one's gonna slant quite a bit quickly. And just a couple of lines on the bottom. All right, so that's a pretty tricky to draw, this little disco ball. Okay, so let's draw the little spikes on the side. So this is gonna be so easy compared to what we just drawn. So we're gonna come out, and then we're just gonna draw another curve. Okay, so we're gonna go out, curve, make it nice and sharp at the end, and then we're gonna add in just from the point here, just kind of go up, give it a little bit space right there to make it three-dimensional. So okay, so now it's the really easy part, right? Now we're just drawing the staff, and I won't draw as long as it should be because I'm gonna run out of paper space. I'll just draw this, and then we're gonna close it off with a curve. Now we gotta draw a circle, but start up here. Draw a circle. Okay, and then we gotta draw a curve here, surrounding that. Okay, and then from there, I'm gonna draw in some ovals around it. And then for the staff, there's gonna be, the easier way to do is just you can draw in a couple of lines like this, and then now you just kind of go out with a little bit of curvature. So I'll go this way, and then this one will go this way. And maybe one down here. And that is it for this very tricky to draw Disco Brawl. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. Please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.